Good morning, Nico.
Tupadu.
My slipper. Because there's a new typhoon coming to Guangdong, so I have to go grocery to make sure I have enough food to stay at home. So, yeah. Let's get up. Waking up to the sound of your voice, acordando com você, é tudo que eu queria. A cup of coffee, the morning breeze, com você eu sou feliz. With you, life is so sweet. Nada mais importa, eu tenho tudo que preciso. The good life, here with you. Everything feels brand new. In the moments we share our dreams. Com você, a vida é assim. The days go by, but I don't mind. Com você eu sou completo. Every step. Oh my god, guys. Rainstorm is coming.
I miss the days when life was so simple. Felt like the class was always helpful.
I'm packing my luggage for the language school in South Korea. I'm going to attend the language program at Ewha Women's University in South Korea, but I only signed up for a summer sections, which lasts just 3 weeks.
Maybe that's why we had our heads in the clouds. Thought we had it all figured out. Planning to fly away to escape everything underground. Like a plane, I'm in space.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you next time.